Hello, in this video I want to show you how to clean sensors on a Medion 19900. To do this, first let me note that I'm using the microfiber wipe, and you can also apply some of the glass cleaner on it. Spread it out nicely, and then we can find all of the sensors. First one is obviously right here, and let's use the wipe to clean it like this. Don't be too harsh on it, not to scratch it, but it should be fine with this microfiber cloth sheet. And next is located right here and right here. There's also one right there. So we use the same cloth, just wipe it. And that would be all of the sensors cleaned. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.